everyone, welcome to my channel. So look, today I received two packages of jade jewelry. One is a dragon pendant, another one is a ring. So I gonna do an unpacking video for you. First, let's open this one. Let's have a look. Wow. The packaging is raw seal, right? And this is the certification, and I bought this one. Wow, I can't wait to see it. Wonderful, right? Look. It seems as the picture I saw on the website. It has great quality. Let me try it. Wow. It's delicate and warm, clean and soft. It's amazing. Do you like it?